In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under dative bonding or coordinate covalent bonding. So guys, we have 15 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, copper 2 ions are able to participate in coordinate covalent bonding because they are colored, have vacant d orbital, have unpaired electrons, are positively charged. So the right answer is option B, is because they have vacant d orbitals. Alright, very important. The next repeated question will be this one. We have which of the following contains coordinate covalent bonding. So the right answer is this one, option C, ammonium ion. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says the bond formed between water and hydrogen ion to form the hydrozonium ion is, so we have it to be dative. Alright, another term for dative in chemistry is coordinate covalent bonding. Alright, so that's it for this question, option D. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following species does not contain a coordinate bond. So guys, in this question the right answer is this option B. Alright, take note of it, very important. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following compounds has coordinate bonds in its structure. The right answer is option D. Okay, the next repeated question will be this one. It can be sodium chloride, it can be magnesium chloride, it can be silver chloride. So it's option D, guys. The next question will be this one. It says the bond between ammonia and hydrogen ion in ammonium ion is, so it's obvious dative bond. Okay, the next question will be this one. It says a coordinate covalent bond can be formed between, we have this compound, this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So guys, looking at the options we have here, the right answer to this question will be option A. Yeah, option A. So that's it for this question. Take note of it. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following statements about dative bonding is not correct? It can be formed between molecules. Yes. Each participating atom contributes one electron. No, this is wrong. An atom must possess a lone pair of electrons. Yes. There is sharing of electrons. Yes. So the one that's not correct is option B. Alright, take note of this question, guys. The next question will be this one. It says ammonium ion is formed from ammonia and hydrogen ion by, so it's obvious dative bonding. The next question will be this one. It says what type of chemical bonding is involved in the formation of ammonium ion from a molecule of ammonia and a proton? So it's obvious coordinate covalent bonding. Remember I told you another term for coordinate covalent bonding in chemistry is dative bonding. So the right answer to this question is option C. Next question will be this one. It says the positive bond ring test indicates the presence of, so we have it to be not copper ion, it's not ion, it's not, okay, yeah, is this one, this nitrate, this also nitrate 5. So the right answer is option C. Okay, so that's the answer to this question, option C. The next repeated question, take note of this question, guys. The next repeated question will be this one. It says the bond formed when ammonia reacts with hydrogen ion to form ammonium ion is obvious dative bond, option B. The next question will be this one. It says the bonds in crystalline ammonium chloride are where ionic and covalent, ionic covalent and dative, ionic covalent and hydrogen bond, covalent and dative. So the right answer is option B, ionic, covalent and dative. Take note of this particular question as well. Next question will be this one. It says the bond formed when two electrons that are shared between two atoms are donated by only one of the atoms is, so it's dative, guys. The right answer is option C, is dative. Okay, so the last question before I end this video with this one. It says the bonds in crystalline ammonium chloride, I think I already answered this question, is option C, ionic, covalent and dative. So guys, this basically can deal with problems involving dative or coordinate covalent bonding for your WASSCE chemistry practice with 15 questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. Where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams with WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.